Hello you beautiful peeps, my name is John, welcome to my channel. Today we have the WL Toys 144001 and I put the LC Racing shocks on to see if there's any improvement. I've actually already taken the slow-mo footage, I will show you that in just a moment, but there's going to be a quick, rare behind the scenes of my studio right now because I just had to show you guys this. Look at this. Yes, I know it's a mess. We did some YouTube shorts where we were testing the suspension, so we got all of the cars out, and then I said to Colin, you know what, I think it's about time that I cleaned the shells. So we left all of the cars off, well, the ones that we used, and I have to do some spring cleaning. So, obviously I need to get on with that, don't I? Let's get on with the shocks. So, ladies and gents, these are the WL Toys shocks that I took off, and they are, I have to say, for the price point, remember you can pick up one of these for about, what, $60, $70 at the minute? The price point, it's a very, very good shocks. But I'm always told that the LC Racing shocks are much better. I have in fact already done the slow-mo, so I know the results. And you've got to say what it looks like now. The LC Racing shocks do look very good, but for a set of 4, you're looking at around $30 US. It's a lot of money, isn't it? So, do they perform so well that it's worth the upgrade? Let's take a look.
Didn't mean those things, I'm sorry. Doesn't matter anyway. We've been here one time too many. Wonder what will happen next. We both know that this ship's going down. Let's get off and leave before we drown. There's nothing left for us to say, 'cause we're see-through. There's nothing left for us to say, 'cause we're see-through. 'Cause we're see-through. Promised that nothing would break us, that we'd always find a way. When all was said and dust had settled, something didn't feel the same. We both know that this ship's going down. Let's get off and leave before we drown. There's nothing left for us to say, 'cause we're see-through. Let's save ourselves the courtesies, 'cause we're see-through. We both know how this thing goes. Should I leave or should you? There's nothing left for us to...
Welcome back. So, ladies and gents, what do you think of that footage? Were you as surprised as what I am? I really did expect these LC Racing shocks to be so much better than the WL Toys shocks, okay? But I don't know about you, I think these perform better. Would you not agree with me? I mean, when it came to the suspension adjuster being all the way down to the hardest amount, I think they were pretty much similar. But when they were set to soft, all the way up again, it seemed that the LC Racing shocks were bouncing at the front. So, well, I know I cannot recommend that you get them for the 144001 at least. I have noticed a difference on the slightly larger 124019 and 124018, and I'll see if I can get a comparison together for you on that, because I assume that obviously the slightly longer wheelbase, the center of gravity and whatnot is all different, so that could be the reason why. But as far as spending $30 US to pick up the LC Racing shocks versus, you know, the originals, I just can't recommend them. I think the originals do a very good job indeed. So, shock result, ladies and gents. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Catch you next time. Take care, stay safe. Bye-bye.